both of you, where do you guys see the biggest growth opportunities for AI? Is it in war technologies? Is it in banking? Is it in solving some sort of big humanistic problems? Let's start with Joe.
It's already being used in the financial markets, right? So we see manipulation in the markets every day where everyone are making the same decisions on the same day, so we can see the market drop by 300-400 points, right? It doesn't happen by accident. It's not because of instability in the marketplace. It has a lot more to do with the fact that the amount of intelligence that they have based upon indicators in the marketplace. Some of you have actually been to some of those financial shows where they say, I can tell you when stocks are going to go up, when they're going to go down, right? That's a limited amount of information they have for artificial intelligence. The best place that we can actually use artificial intelligence today is probably in the healthcare sector, right? There's so much information that we can actually learn on, let's say, cancer, right? That there's the thing we call pink shoes in our environment. So, I do data marketing for things that relate and create dollars for businesses and marketplace, right? And we use KPIs, key performance indicators, and we push that up against CPAs, cost per acquisition, right? We try to suppress as much as we can for what people spend and for what they get, right? But in the healthcare market, we have no idea. Everyone operates in disparate environments, right? So that means they operate completely separate. If you have cancer, there's nothing that binds you to the next person that has cancer. So if we could use AI for anything, why not use it to actually solve problems for solutions that may work? And this person ate beef, and this person took CBD oil, which is kind of a big thing, right? So CBD oil, but they had lung cancer, and all of a sudden 3 months later they don't have lung cancer. But no one else is talking about it other than this crazy person on the internet that's talking about the fact that this person had lung cancer, and now 3 months later, because they were taking CBD oil, and I'm not even saying that that's true, I've just read about it, right? As you guys have read about it, right? So what if that bound multiple people together in what's called the pink shoe theory? In other words, the thing that we do not think that actually binds people together that actually does bind them together. So I think the best opportunity for us to use AI is in a place where we can collect information holistically and start applying that in the healthcare environment to save lives.
Yeah, I think there are huge opportunities in healthcare, and already there are huge startups being started, like basically replacing the role of reading reading things like X-rays and replacing the jobs of radiologists and stuff like that. Eventually all of that will be better done by AI, and we're very, very close to it. But right now, the two biggest things that have happened in sort of since the 2012 beginning of the explosion of deep learning, which is a type of machine learning that really took off since then and has grown exponentially since, is in natural language processing and in computer vision. So things like basically computers can both see just as well as humans now. In fact, actually quite a lot better. Humans perform worse at identifying things now in various images than computers do. And there's been a big explosion in NLP, natural language processing, since 2014 as well. So basically, you can brainstorm yourself, if AI can do processing of words and vision-related stuff better than any human can, then what are the implications of that, and what are all the various different industries that are going to be disrupted accordingly? And it's basically everything you can think of, all sorts of cool stuff, and lots of cool startups are springing up doing all sorts of interesting stuff there.